Hi, I'm Chris from Nature's Way Bird Products, and I'm excited to introduce our newest additions to the Squirrel Shield lineup. These new decorative feeders have multiple squirrel stopping features with a focus on current design trends to make them a statement piece in your yard. Our lantern feeder has a vertically collapsible perch system, which further reduces any seed waste going to pests like squirrels. Weight-sensitive seed shield, locking roofs, durable powder-coated metal, and a 2-quart capacity. Our hopper feeder has vertically collapsible perches to limit seed waste, locking roofs, dual perches for more birds, durable powder-coated metal finish, seed viewing windows, and a 5.5-quart capacity.